Long ago, a celestial nymph named Shamala was cursed to take birth on earth as a she-buffalo due to a small mistake in Lord Indra's heavenly court. On earth, she was known as Mahishi, a divine being in buffalo form. Nearby lived the Asura demon, King Rambha, a powerful warrior. One day, he saw Mahishi and was enchanted by her mystical form. Using his magical powers, Rambha turned himself into a buffalo and approached her. Bound by fate, they fell in love and united. From their unusual union was born a child, Mahishasura, a creature born of a she-buffalo and a demon. Mahishasura was not an ordinary child. He had the form of a buffalo, but could shift between human and animal at will. Even as a baby, he showed immense strength and a fierce temper. But tragedy struck early. Rambha was killed in a war soon after his birth, and Mahishi too was slain by divine forces, who did not know her true identity. Orphaned and filled with grief and rage, Mahishasura was raised by the Asuras. From childhood, he vowed, "One day, I will conquer the heavens and take revenge on the gods." As Mahishasura grew, he became a mighty warrior. His shape-shifting powers made him nearly invincible in battle. He could become a buffalo, a lion, a giant, or anything he wished. The Asuras praised him as their savior. But Mahishasura wanted more than power. He wanted immortality. So he went into the mountains and performed thousands of years of penance to please Lord Brahma. Impressed by his dedication, Lord Brahma appeared before Mahishasura and granted him a boon. Mahishasura said, "Grant me that no man or god shall be able to kill me." Brahma, bound by divine law, agreed. But neither Mahishasura nor Brahma considered one possibility: a woman. With this powerful boon, Mahishasura now believed he was invincible. Drunk with power, Mahishasura attacked the gods and conquered heaven. Even mighty gods like Indra, Agni, and Vayu could not stop him. He drove the Devas out and sat on the throne of Amaravati, ruling as king of heaven. The three worlds, earth, heaven, and the netherworld, fell into darkness and fear. The Devas, humiliated and defeated, turned to the Supreme Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, for help. The three gods were filled with divine rage. From the combined power of Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, and all the gods, a blazing light emerged. This light took the form of a radiant goddess, Ma Durga, the embodiment of Shakti, divine feminine power. She had 10 arms, each carrying a weapon given by a god: Shiva's trident, Vishnu's chakra, Indra's thunderbolt, Agni's spear, Vayu's bow and arrow. Riding a fierce lion, Durga descended from the heavens. Mahishasura laughed when he heard that a woman had come to fight him. He sent his army of demons first. Durga destroyed them all, calmly and powerfully. Then Mahishasura himself came to battle. He fought fiercely, changing forms again and again: a lion, an elephant, a giant, and finally a buffalo. But Durga remained unfazed. For 9 days and nights, the battle shook the universe. On the 10th day, Mahishasura charged at Durga in his giant buffalo form. With calm grace, Durga leapt onto his back, pressed him down with her foot, and drove her trident into his heart. With a final roar, Mahishasura was destroyed. The gods cheered. The heavens rejoiced. Light returned to the world. The day Durga killed Mahishasura is celebrated as Vijaya Dashami, also known as Dussehra. Devotees pray her with great joy and happy. The festival celebrates the goddess Durga's victory over the demon Mahishasura, reinforcing the message of divine feminine power, defeating evil. Across India, it reminds people that no matter how powerful evil seems, it will always fall before truth and dharma.